If you want to charge other devices using your POCO F8 Ultra, then you have two methods. First, I'm going to show you the wired method. In this case, you can use USB-C cable and you can connect your POCO F8 Ultra to another smartphone, to another device, of course. There we go. And there is a chance that you will immediately start charging the other device. However, if you have this situation like I do, where my F8 Ultra is being charged instead, then you can go to notifications, find the notification that the device is being charged via USB. We can tap on this notification, you will open USB settings and you can switch to reverse charging. And there we go. As you can see, now we are properly charging the other device. So, in addition to that, what you can also do is you can use the wireless method. We also have wireless power sharing. So what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, proceed to battery, and then in battery we have the charging options, and in here you can find reverse wireless charging, which we can enable. Of course, you need to have more battery than the charging limit, which can be adjusted over here. So if you have less than, let's say, 20, 30 or 40% of the battery, you will not be able to use this feature. When you enable reverse wireless charging, then you can place another smartphone at the top of your phone, just like that, and then you should be able to start charging wirelessly. But of course, the other device that you want to charge must support wireless charging. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.